I stand amazed in your presence by Sinach on the key of F sharp. This is the intro. For the last time. She comes in now. Stand amazed in your presence. It's not easy to play and sing. You do glorious things, you're a faith. Awesome is your name. Okay, all right, guys, let's break that real quick. So, first things first, let's run our scales. So F sharp is the 1, A flat is the 2, B flat is the 3, B is the 4, C sharp is the 5, E flat is the 6, F is the 7, then back to the 1. So they started from the 6, then 4, and went to the 5. Okay, so on my right hand side we have left hand side I have E flat and B flat, while on my right hand side I have C sharp and F sharp. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just switching from F sharp to the F. So over the 4 I have B, F sharp and B. So the same chord on my right hand side. So what changes is on the 5. It's still the same thing. Okay. So this last chord, left hand side, this is C sharp and A flat. While on my right hand side I have C sharp and F sharp. So I just brought the F sharp down to F. So that's just the difference. So for the other parts where the song there's no sorry, I'm not okay. There's no one like you, Jesus. So you go to the 2. There's no one, come to the 4. Like you, 5. Jesus, 2. There's 4 like 5. Jesus, 2. There's 4 like 5. Don't mind me, I'm singing so fast, right? So let me give you the chords to play. So over the 2, so left hand side I have A flat over the 2 and F sharp, while on my right hand side I have B, C sharp and F sharp. So there's no one. This is basic chords, so nothing fancy. This is B major triad. Right hand side, this is B sus2 chord. Let me spell it out. Left hand side I have B, E flat and F sharp. Right hand side, this is B, C sharp and F sharp. Like you. So they came to the 5. This is just basic chords. Well, let me just show you 1 or 2 things you can add to spice up your playing there. So over the 2 you can do something like this. So what I did there, let me break it down. On my left hand side you have to be able to stretch to do this. So I have A flat, F sharp, and B on my left, while on my right hand side I just added this fill. I'll just play it slow so you get it. So while I'm doing this, I came to the 4. You can see on my left hand side I did B, F sharp, C sharp and E flat. Let me just spell out that note. So I'm holding F sharp and C sharp here, so I left C sharp and played E flat. So for the next I have this, which is C sharp and A flat. So I left A flat and played B flat, like so. So we have same thing repeated, but instead of to end it, I ended it with this. This is C sharp and F sharp. The next chord, this is E flat and A flat. You have to practice this. The right fingering for it is this. You can see this is my thumb and my ring finger. Next chord, you can see this is my index finger and my ring finger. So you might want to practice that, okay? Jesus, there's no one like you in all the earth. So what I did here, I did a passing chord from the 6 to lead me to the 2. So on my left hand side I have E flat and G, while on my right hand side I have C sharp, E, G and B. So I played the rootless notes, that's on the E flat, then accompanied it with this G note here. So this is B flat major 7 on my right. On my left hand side I'm holding A flat and F sharp. Right hand side, this is B, E flat, F sharp and B flat. So there's no one like you, then you do mighty things. Then I came to the 1. Okay, so, there's no one like you, you do mighty things. This is your 1. I love holding my 1 like this most times, but a lot of times I use sus2 chord. You do glorious things. This is 4. These are basic chords, right? Suspended chords. Then you're a faithful God. Came to the 6. Let's just play it one more time, sync it all, and I'll round up the video there. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Let's speak to the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys, it means a lot to me. Stand amazed in your presence. There is nothing you cannot do. I'm struggling to play and sing. Remember the passing chord? Yeah. Now let's do the other one.